Hello guys, my name is Brad and I'm a writer, and today two of my books are available for free to download. So if you have Amazon Kindle, just feel free to download. First book is it's called Introduction to UnBrokable. A person who cannot be broke financially is unbreakable, and there are reasons why people keep not having money. And I wrote the first five reasons, and it should be available for free for 3 days. So you can go to Amazon, and it's free to download. So just feel free to download. And second book is it's called 11 Girls I Had Loved, and it's not like any romance, but it's just a biography or a memoir of people I can remember in chronological order. So just check the link on the bottom and feel free to download and make sure to leave a review or feedback.